How often should you get your dryer vent cleaned? The real answer depends on your situation. The baseline recommendation, at least once a year. That's the minimum for every household regardless of size or usage. Every 6 months if you have pets. Pet hair gets past the lint filter and accumulates in the vent duct. You do more than 5 loads per week. You have a large family. You use dryer sheets frequently since the residue builds up in the duct. Your vent run is longer than 15 feet. Every 3 months if your vent run goes through walls and up through the attic. Long, complex runs with multiple turns clog faster. Or if you've already had a slow drying issue. Signs you're overdue. Clothes take more than 1 cycle to dry. The dryer is extremely hot to the touch. The laundry room is humid or smells musty. The outside vent flap barely opens when the dryer runs. You see lint around the outside vent opening. What happens if you don't? The U.S. Fire Administration reports over 2,700 dryer fires per year. Lint is extremely flammable. Restricted airflow causes the heating element to overheat. In Florida's humid climate, moisture trapped in the vent creates additional problems, including mold growth inside the duct. Professional vent cleaning takes about 30 to 60 minutes and costs $100 to $200. We use commercial rotary brushes and high-powered vacuums that clear the entire vent run. Dryer vent cleaning. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.